Welcome to GemsBiz. Do you want to be able to identify natural gemstones? Knowing how to identify natural gemstones can help you make better purchasing decisions when it comes to jewelry. In this blog post, we will discuss the various methods you can use to determine if a gemstone is natural or not. When it comes to gemstone identification, the weight of the stone is an important factor. Natural gemstones can vary in weight significantly. To check the weight of a stone, you'll need to use a jewelry scale. Next, compare this weight to similar stones with known weights that you can purchase online or at a jewelry store. If the weights are similar, then it's likely that the stone you're looking at is natural. However, if the weights are drastically different, then it may be a synthetic or imitation gemstone. The second way to identifying natural gemstones is clarity. Natural gemstones can come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but they will all have some degree of clarity. A gemstone's clarity is determined by how many inclusions it has, as well as how easily these inclusions can be seen. Natural gemstones can have inclusions that range from barely visible to quite prominent. When inspecting for clarity, first look for any obvious inclusions or blemishes with the naked eye. If you are using a 10x magnifying loupe, check for any surface imperfections or inclusions that may not have been visible to the naked eye. Some of the common types of inclusions you might see are fractures, feathers, needles, or fingerprints. In some cases, these inclusions can make a gemstone more unique and valuable. In addition to looking at the clarity, you should also observe the transparency of the stone. Transparency is related to light passing through the stone, and its brightness and color can help determine the overall value of a gemstone. When examining a stone's transparency, make sure to take into account any bubbles or fractures that may be present. The cut of a gemstone can tell you a lot about the quality and value of the gem. If it is cut properly, it will bring out the best in its color and clarity. An expertly cut gemstone can be worth much more than a poorly cut one. The most common cut for gemstones is round, oval, square, marquise, pear, and heart. It's important to inspect the cut of your gemstone and look for any imperfections or sharp edges. Inspect the symmetry and edges of the cut, as these should be uniform. Note any rough edges, scratches, or chips. All of these things can significantly reduce the value of your gemstone. Take note of how the facets meet each other. A good gemstone cut will bring out the beauty of the gemstone and make it sparkle. Pay attention to the depth of the stone, too. It should have a good depth to width ratio, with enough depth to allow light to enter and create brilliance and fire. By examining the cut of a gemstone, you can determine its quality and value. Keep an eye out for any signs of poor craftsmanship or other issues that could affect its worth. Color is another way to consider gemstones. Natural gemstones come in many different colors, including red stones, green stones, blue stones, purple stones, yellow stones, and orange stones. In addition to the primary color of the gemstone, you should also consider other hues, tints, and shades present in the stone. Inspecting the color of a gemstone can also help you to determine its authenticity. Many natural gemstones are known for their characteristic colors. For example, rubies are known for their deep red hue, while sapphires have a rich blue tone. Pay attention to the details of the color and look for any inconsistencies that might indicate that the gemstone is synthetic or fake. Researching the stone is one of the most important steps in identifying a natural gemstone. You should find out as much as you can about the type of stone and its properties. This can be done through research online or in books. Start by researching the type of stone you have. For example, if it is a sapphire, then you should look up information on sapphires. You can learn about the different types of sapphires and their characteristics. This can help you determine what type of sapphire you have. Next, read up on the specific qualities of the stone. This includes checking for common physical characteristics such as color, clarity, hardness, etc. Compare these qualities with the stone you have to see if it matches up. If it does, then you have likely identified your gemstone correctly. If you are still unsure, then you can research its market value. Look up the stone's current worth and compare that to the amount you paid for it. If there is a big difference in price, then it is likely that the stone is not natural. Finally, make sure to also look up information about where the stone was sourced from. Many times stones come from specific mines or regions that are known for their quality. By researching the stone thoroughly, you will be able to confidently identify your gemstone and be sure that it is indeed a natural gemstone. GemsBiz is the go-to source for authentic, certified natural gemstones with a wide selection of gems, including sapphires, rubies, emeralds, and more. Whether you're looking for unique stones or stone beads or just something special to add to your collection, GemsBiz is the place to go. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our site, gemsbiz.com.